Let's extend our irrigation kit down here at the allotment. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. We have got an irrigation kit set up to our tomatoes, our peppers, our melon plants, so that when we're not at the allotment, it will keep them wet every 12 hours. Now you can change the settings on it to how often you want it to water. But yeah, this has been an absolute godsend to me this summer, especially in the hot weather that we have had. So we're going to extend it to add them into our Christmas potatoes, as we've got our Christmas potatoes in the polytunnel and they're drying out. So we need to keep them wet regular so that they get growing and hopefully get some decent Christmas potatoes in them. So let's have a look at our kit, what it looks like so far. So this is our kit. We've got it linked up to all our tomatoes and our peppers, and as you can see, the tomatoes are doing absolutely fantastic. It's connected to this timer which you can set at every so often. We've got it to water for 15 minutes every 12 hours, so that should keep them nice and wet. And then it's connected to a solar panel which obviously powers it as well and keeps it working. And this is into our big water butt here. As you can see, that's the filter onto the water pipe, and then there's a wire as well which lets you know if it's running low on water. So we just keep this filled up with lots of water. So these are our Christmas potatoes we've got in. Like I said, it is getting pretty dry in here. So we've got the lead what goes on to our melon plants over here. So we're going to connect it up and water these ones as well to keep them nice and moist. So it comes with 10 drippers, a big piece of piping. So we're going to probably put 3 drippers in each box so that it does keep it nice and damp for us. So yeah, it should be pretty easy to connect up. And then we've got some little T-junctions as well so that we can split it off and get the water going. So let's get it chopped up and all connected up. So I've got the drippers all set up, so I just need to connect it onto the main pipe so that it all feeds into the water. So I've turned the dripper on, and to make sure that it's all working and it's all dripping pretty good. So yeah, hopefully it all comes on pretty good down here. Just push them in a bit further. So hopefully it'll keep them all nicely watered, and that will water them for 15 minutes and then it will end. So I hope you've enjoyed that little video. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our antics down at the allotment. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.